Thanks, Craig. I'm Aki, founder and CEO of Genial Technology. We make audit easy and intuitive with AI-based software so that busy auditors can focus on the area where human judgment and experience are required. Have you been reached out by an auditor? Okay, some of you have. They're annoying, right? Auditors ask tons of questions. Auditors need to test sample transaction and check if they are okay. Accounting teams have to prepare many documents for audit purposes. These works will be easier and faster with our software. External audit workloads has increased over the last 10 years, but audit technology improved very slowly. Manual audit is slow. Excel is not optimized for audit. It's also labor-intensive to check massive amounts of documents. Moreover, it's easy to make mistakes, and there are several layers of reviews to prevent such errors. So manual audit has high risk and high costs. The total audit fee is around $40 billion in North America. That's why we have developed Genial AI. Genial AI is an online audit software based on AI technology. All right, let's jump into the demo. In this demo, I'll show you how Genial AI looks for frozen errors from ERP data with PDF attachments and how it shows the details. We are running SAP instance in our development environment. This sample transaction data has typical fields like journal number, dates, and amounts. Also, there are a bunch of PDFs attached to each transaction, such as credit card log and expense reports. Before doing the test, auditors don't know where issues are. So let's export it to Genial AI. Our SAP plugin software automatically copies the data to Genial AI. Then I switch to Genial AI and log into the system. It is importing and processing the data with PDFs from SAP. I'm sorry. Let me try this again. So now the Genial AI job is running to identify frauds and errors. Example of frauds would be double dipping, fictitious sales, bill padding, and duplicate payments. Errors would be data entry mistakes. It may take more time to process all the data, so let's look at the previous result. Can you see it? Genial AI identified potential frauds as the pink cells and errors as the yellow cells. It's done. It's simple and first. That's all. But it's too simple for demo, so let's look at the fraud case, double dipping. Double dipping is a type of duplicate expense claim where one is through corporate card and the other through expense report. For instance, Genial AI found these two lines to be a double dipping. The amounts are both $300, and the dates are not far from each other. They are processed on July 3rd and June 30th. This is also identified based on the OCR results of the PDF attachments. Genial AI automatically downloads the attachment files, so accounting teams do not have to email or print them out for auditor. For instance, this credit card log attached to the one transaction indicates that Samara Johnson spent $300 at the restaurant on June 30th. On the other hand, this expense report attached to the other shows she spent the same amount at the same place on the same day again. Therefore, Genial AI thought that she embezzled $300 from the company. This is double dipping. I hope there is no person here named Samara Johnson in this room. Okay. So this is how Genial AI finds frauds and errors. So how to configure these processes? Our demo rule sets consist of these rules, and you can customize them by adding or deleting the rules and fields. OCR tokenizer reads PDF supporting documents. Pre-process like white space removal, and find throws like double dipping. This is how Junior AI tests throws and errors. From transaction records. On top of this transaction testing module, now we are developing sales testing module by the end of this summer. This is another major area where regulators have a lot of focus on. Auditors are required to test hundreds of revenue transactions with supporting documents such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping documents with their eyes. And there is too much back and forth communication with their client counterpart. So current process takes average 250 hours per client per year in sales testing. Junior AI saves it to 50 hours by automating this process. Additionally, Junior AI can test the entire sales dataset instead of samples, which is impossible even with thousands of hours of human resources. Furthermore, we are conducting a pilot test with AI Audit Research Lab at one of the Big Four accounting firms to measure the performance of Junior AI. They will provide the sales data using the actual audit project and try Junior AI. So my main message is that Junior AI will allow auditors to focus on the higher risk areas where human judgment and experience are required. If you're a CPA who works on audit, or you are in an organization having same kinds of issues, please come to my booth. Thank you.